Hey everyone, okay, so most people apply blush completely wrong, and oftentimes it shows. You either end up looking like a doll or like you've rubbed dirt in your cheeks. But here's the thing, perfect blush placement isn't about following some complicated face mapping system. It's about two simple steps. Step one, find your cheekbone. Then take your cream blush and apply it following the natural curve of the cheekbone. The key is to start light. If you over apply, it's gonna be near impossible to get that perfect flush. Step two, make those edges disappear. This is where most people mess up because they think that blending means rubbing it all over their face. Wrong. Take a dense brush and gently tap the edges of the blush. Don't drag it, don't swipe it, tap. Follow the pattern you want. If you want a fuller face, then move in circular motions. And if you want a more angular look, follow a linear style. You're not moving the color around, you're just softening where it meets the skin. The goal is to make it look like the color is coming from within the skin. Just like you ran up a flight of stairs and got that natural flush. That's it. 2 steps, placement and gently tapping the edges to blend. You don't need 10 different blushes or a degree in face anatomy. You just need to know A, where to put it, and B, how to make it look natural. Now, go try it. You're gonna look gorgeous. Because the difference between obvious blush and that perfect, I woke up like this glow, is literally just those 2 steps. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.